it on your camera phone. Get a little bad, you watch me back down.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hey friend, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button because you're gonna want to stay. Also, if you're not part of the notification gang, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Now, today I'm gonna put y'all on. As y'all seen by the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do y'all lashes at home. Now I know what you're thinking, girl, how? You talking about them strip lashes? No, I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about some lash clusters, okay? I don't know if y'all seen that mascara trend going around, but ever since that trend, those lash clusters have had me in a chokehold, okay? Now let's get into this video.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the barrier, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed.
Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my bond. I have two of these little mascara things, but I'm not sure which one is the newer one. Because I know one of them, it looked like it was running out. I definitely want to use the newer one. Yep, this is the newer one because it's not all crusted over like the other one is. Okay. So I like to put it on one eye at a time. So we're going to start with this eye. Just put it on like you would mascara. And I'm going to be looking over here, guys, because this is where my mirror is. Okay. So... okay, so it's on. I like to make sure that I put a good bit on so that way my lashes will stick. Another thing I like to do to really make this look like a full set, like a custom full set, I like to do this thing called mapping, to where I map out where I want my 20s, where I want my 16s, where I want my 14s, where I want my 18s, because this is 14 through 20. I know for sure I want 14 to be here in the inner part of my lid. And I also want kind of a cat eye. So when you want kind of that cat eye, you want to make sure that your lashes are longer on the ends here. So I'm going to actually go in with a 20. Because I like long lashes, and you don't necessarily have to go all the way to 20. You can do just 14, 16, 18 if that works for you. But your girl here, she likes long lashes. Okay, so I'm going to pick the 20s. The 20s are actually the bottom here. The 14s are at the top, and then it's numbered. What I like about these is it's numbered on the side, so you know exactly which length. Other ones I've used in the past just say small, medium, large, whatever. Like I like numbers, so. Just that easy. Okay, so now that I've got my 20 out the way, I am going to do 16. Next, we're doing 18. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. Another 18. Light sleep, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Last but not least, we're gonna do 16s and then 14. So I may be able to fit two 16s before I do the 14, but if not, I'm just gonna do 16, 14. Fly you out the beach, full speed, so for the barrier. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the beach, full speed, just sweet on your knee. Rolls Royce, baby, in hidden deals. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chills. All right, y'all, so we were able to fit those two 16s and a 14. The only thing about the inner eye I will say is that it is a little tricky and you gotta kind of turn it at an angle so it doesn't look too crazy whenever you're applying the 14 in this inner space here. So my mapping is done. Mapping. So we have a 20, a 16, a 18, a 18, a 16, a 16, and a 14. So that's done. And it is time for the overnight seal.
Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think you should reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I'm fired.
We'll see how these do. So the only thing about this stuff is that it's black. I'm used to the clear seal from the Foscara, but this seal stuff is actually black. So, but yeah, these are so lightweight. That's another thing I love about these. Sometimes you even forget that you have them on. Like you won't feel these at all. These are very comfortable. They don't irritate or shouldn't irritate your lash line at the bottom, because if they do, that means that you're putting them way too close. Okay, so I've already explained the mapping, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other eye.
Baby, in Nikki Beach, waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep, all because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sleep, baby, I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. Had to bounce, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop it Gucci, stop it Louis V, yeah. Come on me. Fly you out the crib, full speed, so don't let Paris. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop it Gucci, stop it Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the crib, full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce back in hidden deals, bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled, all because of how I kept it real. Light sleep, baby. Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, yeah, baby. Ooh, come on me. Leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop it Gucci, stop it Louis V, yeah. Come on me. Fly you out the crib, full speed, so don't let Paris. Come on me. Leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop it Gucci, stop it Louis V, yeah. Come on me. Fly you out the crib. Full speed, so fully Paris. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems?
Okay, y'all, so while doing this, I discovered something super weird, okay? So, I wasn't able to fit my 14 here. I did, from what I think I did, unless I just put extra, but I don't think I put any extras. I did the same mapping, but for some reason I couldn't fit the 14 here. I don't know if maybe that has something to do with my eyes being not the same size, or maybe I spaced out something too much, but I wasn't able to fit that 14 on this eye. So it's a 16 in inner rather than a 14, but it still doesn't look that different to me, so I'm not tripping. But I guess just keep that in mind. The spacing of, you know, your lashes and the shapes of your eyes. I mean, hey, I'm just putting the seal on, you know, like the instructions said. Keep in mind that this seal is black, but I definitely recommend you putting these lashes on when you don't have makeup on. So that way you don't have to worry about ruining your makeup and having to fix it and all that. But yeah, I mean, I'm loving the look. Let me know what y'all think, but I'm definitely going to update y'all on how this did, you know, and y'all will see, and y'all can check out my updates / life updates in my vlog. I am doing a monthly vlog. At the end of every month, I will be dropping a vlog, basically a life lately vlog. So y'all definitely tune in to my vlogs, and also make sure you tune in to my past vlogs, because I have done vlogs in the past. And they don't really get a lot of views, not as much as videos like this or my hair videos or fashion videos. But yeah, y'all definitely tune in, you know, and y'all will get an update on how long these have lasted. Hey y'all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Also, remember that all of the products used in this video will be linked down in the description box below. Feel free to let me know what you think in the comments. Also, go ahead and click that like button if you all enjoyed this video. And remember to click that subscribe button, because we are on the road to 1K subscribers. Also, if you aren't a part of the notification gang, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that bell, sis, so that way you can see when I post videos. Until next time, peace.